What is going on, guys? Thanks for joining my channel, Robinhood. This is Bob. Today is February 21st, and today, guys, we are going to go over week 8 of my 52-week, $15,000 option and dividend challenge. So let's get started. As you guys can see, my total market value is at $112,728. Of that, equity I have is at $56,710, and in margins that I'm using is at $55,989. So let's check out my portfolio. For the day, I was at positive 304, just over 0.5%. It did fall off just a little bit after hours at $27. For the week, I am down $1,254, or down 2.16%. For the month, I'm up $4,076, up 7.74%. We check out the 3-month, I'm up $6,073, up 12%. The 1 year, I'm up $12,039 at 26.95%. And of all time, guys, I'm up $7,479, up 15.19%. So let's check out the moves that I did with the option trades. So if we do look here, AT&T, I was able to get a call here at 10 contracts at a premium of $4, which gave me $40 in profit. Realty Income is a monthly option trade, so I did do this on January 21st. It did expire on the date of 2/19, worthless. I was able to get a good premium at $140. Energy Transfer, I just did a Thursday trade just to try to get some type of money out of it. As we know, if you looked at the other videos, Energy Transfer did have their earnings. They did fall short, and the stock did go down, but it did nicely recover and get back above to where it was at. But I was only able to get a $11 premium out of the 11 contracts. EPD, I was able to get $9. New Resident, I was able to get that month-long dividend on here, or the option trade, at $50. The buy call and sell call for these two stocks expire in a year, so these will be updated if I do any moves on them. Apple, I did buy it and it did go down a significant amount. I did a same day trade. It was probably 2 hours before the market was closing, or 3 hours. I was able to just get $3 off of that. Something's better than nothing. And I do own about, I believe, 130 shares of AMC. I just did a sell call with a premium of $13. So with all of these trades I did this week, I was able to make a decent premium at $266. And we will check out the long-term dividend option strategy chart. As you can see, guys, here my shares is at 1,028 now with AT&T. Most, if not all, of the options and dividends that I get from the stock, I will be investing it in AT&T until I get to 100 shares more. So I'll be at 1,100 shares. Then I will start adding money into Realty Income. So my long-term strategy here, these two stocks here, I will plan on keeping forever. And Microsoft, Apple, I do want to hold them forever. But when I do option calls, it's a higher chance that these tech stocks might get executed. So I may have to sell them, and I may not want to buy them back. Energy Transfer, EPD, and New Residential are good stocks as well. But these are also a little volatile, so it is a chance I would sell these. And if I did end up selling these, I may invest in other stocks. But I hope down the line I will hold on to these at least till the end of this year, if not halfway through the year. But if one of them kind of skyrockets, I may take the profit and go with a different stock. But for the most part, these two stocks are definitely hold. And Microsoft and Apple, I do plan on holding long term. But if it does have an executed option, I may just let it go and not buy it back. So if you look at the stock side, guys, it was kind of up and down. AT&T, I did gain a little money from $5 to $270. Realty Income, I did lose some from $5.96 to $48. Microsoft, I lost a little bit, but I can't be mad because just in 8 weeks, I'm up $1,843 with Microsoft. Energy Transfer here, I'm up $544. They were down and then they shot back up even after their earnings. Apple, I'm not mad that I bought Apple. I do believe in a company. I do believe it'll go up sooner than later. but I wish I definitely would have bought them at a lower cost. I believe I got it at 136 and some change. It's at 129 and some change, I believe, but I did lose $645 off of Apple this week. EPD went down just a little bit at $48. All the stocks that I've sold and bought throughout this 8 weeks, I'm up overall at $1,052. New resident went up a little bit at $70. So total in stocks in the 8 weeks, I'm up $3,230. So when I'm doing this video, any type of profit is always good, but for the main purpose of the video is really focusing on the option and dividend side of it. Anything in the positive on the stock side is always great, and I'll definitely take the profits, but for the most part I'm really focusing on option and dividend play. So if we check out here on week 8, I am up, did $40 here. Realty income, I got $140. They did pay a dividend. They do pay it every month, $94. Energy Transfer gave me a huge dividend pay at $198. And this is definitely at 9%, just a little bit over 9% here. And I still was able to make an option trade. So just of all the dividends I got paid and all the options that I got, I was able to make $558 in 1 week off of these dividends and option trades. So total for 8 weeks, I am up $2,811, which is amazing. It's right on track. Actually, it's a little bit above track of my 52-week challenge, so I'm definitely going in the right direction. But February, every 3 months, quarterly, will always be a high-paying dividend, especially with AT&T. So if you look at the margins, I did have to pay a margin, but holding $56,000 of margins and only paying $119 for that whole month and making this much money in the 8 weeks is definitely been paying off so far. So I'm definitely happy on where everything's going, being up $3,230 off of the stocks and then being up $2,811 from the options and dividends. That's a little bit over $6,000. I am definitely happy with that. So I am going to try to do a little bit more of different videos here. I think I'm going to use either half or 1% of my stocks to do some type of calls, more buy calls on certain stocks just that I'm keeping an eye on. I believe I may try to do one on Wendy's or possibly Fastenal, just depending on how the market opens up on Monday, and I will do a video on that. Just something to try to test the waters in there and see if they can bring me extra income. But for the long term, and my main strategy is the dividend option strategy. If that starts to lose a little bit of money, I probably will just stick to what I'm doing here. But for the most part, I am going to be willing to do a small portion of that to take a chance on making more profit on top of what I'm doing now. So that's all going to be all for today, guys. I do appreciate all of the comments, all of the support. I have been getting more likes, more views, more subscriptions. I'm trying to get to my 300 subscriber goal. So definitely, guys, if you like what you hear and see, and if you guys get anything out of the video, definitely hit the like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you guys so much. You guys have a good day.